Friends, running kimono here. So both Dollar General and Walmart hit 90% on various merch. Dollar General, it's both the purple square holiday stuff and Valentine's, and Walmart Valentine's. So the first store we're going to talk about is Walmart. You have to do a little bit of digging in the store, but a lot of the stuff is merchandise towards the front of the store. They want all this stuff gone so they can start putting up St. Patrick and Easter merchandise all over the store. But one item I really was in search of were the My Mini griddles and waffle irons. And there were 3 different types at the store that I was at this morning. And I was like, wow, this is really crazy. And the original price for these items are $9.99, and they were ringing up for 99 cents, guys. So I really stocked up for next Christmas for different family members. You know, you put this in with a box of waffle mix. It looks like you really put in an effort. Ooh, the truth is coming out. But here are the UPCs, guys. If you wish to go to the site BrickSeek, type in your zip along with these UPCs, and you might be able to see if there's any in stock, yay or nay. I would definitely go to the store, look in the clearance section, look on end caps, look where they have these My Minis. Their merchandise throughout the store, you might hit the mother lode, and it seems like nothing is being tagged on these items. So that's how a lot of us are able to score some. I didn't clear out this store, but I did grab, a couple, because I like to gift these little waffle makers. I think they are so adorable. Now we are over at the Dollar General, 90% off of gift sets that are the purple square. So you really have to be on the lookout for what you're looking for. But I'm going to show you a lot of examples, so that'll be in your back pocket to, go out with a lot of success. This is carryover from Christmas and Valentine's Day, along with Valentine's Day selected merch. I believe candy isn't part of this, but a whole lot of arts and crafts. Even for those Easter baskets, there's a lot to be had and found, and I'm going to show you what I picked up. I know a lot of you are probably like, I just don't want to go. This is a waste of time. I got all of this stuff for under $10 and no coupons used, none of that magic, but just a lot of little odds and ends for next year's Christmas gifts, Easter gifts, Easter baskets. If you like to make stuff like that, like it's the mother load of stuff, like everything that, everybody loves. I love these gift sets. So what you're going to be looking for, guys, are these purple squares. Find them merchandise at the front of the store. They have a square shelf. They sometimes put all these gift sets there, or they might have them on a table. Don't be shy to ask the staffers, like, hey, do you have any of these purple squares? They might be able to show you the way. Keeping it 100, guys, I did not find many gift sets. I still want to go out and look for more, but Dr. Teal's was 50 cents. I get the foaming bubble bath and the salt. Here is the UPC. If you wish to open up the Dollar General app and scan this, maybe your store, it might be listed how many are in stock or not. This Bic set for $1. We just don't ever get really great deals on razors anymore. So for $1 for that, yeah, I'm going to definitely pony up the money because I think that's a really smart deal to get like a gift set of razors. Now, these two I did not buy, but I photographed them in the store. My husband is super duper allergic to anything with like men's perfume, women's perfume like this. 50 cents for this. Here's the UPC. But Secret Santa, you just want to get a little extra something for the special guy in your life. I would buy them, but I just don't want to hear it. My husband's going to be so angry if I brought these home because I would probably try to gift them to him, which I think would be funny. So I probably should go back out and buy this one at least. Bod. But they had a bunch of women's and men's sprays. I didn't buy any. I'm also kind of Bath and Body Works lady here, so I just left them all at the store. I didn't buy a single one. Now look how adorable these Conair. It's like a Christmas themed brush. 40 cents. I mean, that price is unheard of. So that's why people just fill up a basket and hit the cash registers really quick. And it's both at updated and non-updated stores. Everything's ringing up 90 today. This lip scrub, it looks amazing. I've always wanted to try these lip mask lip scrubs. 50 cents. Like, I have Christmas gifts for next year, and I'm so excited. And one of them is cotton candy flavor. I am really looking forward to trying that. We have this cute little hand lotion and a hand wash for 40 cents. I mean, that would make such a great, just somebody in your office, just throw it on their desk for their birthday. I mean, if you love gifting, and I know a lot of couponers do, like, this is everything. Studio Selection, which is a Dollar General brand, 20 cents for these champagne bottles of bubble bath. throw that into a gift, you know? I think it's super nice. 20 cents. Like that is such a great price point. These are kind of interesting. I found them they had hand soaps too, but these were 30 cents, so the original price point was $3. Still a really good price point. I was really curious about this cranberry one because it actually smelled really nice. I opened it up in the store and I was like, what does it smell like? Yeah, I am that person for this. Because it looks like kind of like Unilever slash Bath and Body Works. So 30 cents. I found them right at the front of the store. And then a lot of these little Crayola, 20 cents a pop. These are bubbles that you blow in the bathtub. And I thought for an Easter basket, that would just be adorable. I was so happy at this one store I was able to find at least 4 because we have 4 nieces. I like everything to be equal. You know, all the kids get the same. And then these body wash or bubble bath pens. 10 cents a pop. I'm going to store those standing up because I don't want them to spill everywhere. But 10 cents, you just absolutely can't beat that price. Now, this is my absolute favorite find, these lip balms. Every year, it's always escaped me, but I got the whole display, 20 cents each, and they are so uber cute. These will make excellent stocking stuffers or just a little extra something. You know, everybody loves lip balm. So here are the UPCs. This is one item I would definitely look high and low. Even at checkout, they might be merchandise, you know, where they keep pens and like little things that you would just grab. This Mountain Dew one. I will let you know Mountain Dew spilled a bit. It looks kind of weird, but it looked greasy on the side of it, even though it's contained in that package. So if you're not about that, spending 20 cents on that, I would be careful, like look at them, double, triple check for the Mountain Dew. Also for more Easter basket, we have these adorable little press-on nails for the little kiddos. 10 cents. We have My Little Pony and Barbie. And again, I always like to try to buy them in sets of 3 or 4. I was able to find 4 at this one store, so I was really happy. And then these cute little Valentine's Day cups, they were $3 and they're 30 cents each. And they're Zach, so it's a very high quality cup or little travel cup. And I know that Paw Patrol and Disney Princesses, those are both winners. And then this didn't look too Valentine's Day, but 10 cents for this little kit. It's a figurine and paint. I thought that was so cute. And then when I was checking out, lots of the penny food items, the store was cleared. It was all gone. I think the staff got rid of everything. But I remember this World's Finest Chocolate, Christie's Connections, I think, was mentioning it. It was right at the checkout register, and I got 5 for a penny, so 5 cents, and they're definitely going to find their way into those Easter baskets. Now that I've given you guys somewhat of the visuals, get out to Dollar General ASAP. Even though this stuff is 90 and it's going to be a penny next week, a lot of shoppers go really, really hard because of the value of what you can pay for at 90%. I would go out today. Good luck, guys, and let me know what you score. We'll catch you in the next one. Bye.